Morning and assalamu alaikum. Welcome to the Smart School City Campus online maths class for grade 1. Resource pack page number 10, 11 and 12. The topic will be sequence numbers greater than and less than. Now look at your resource pack. Write your name and date here. The topic is sequence numbers. Question: write the numbers of each box in the correct order. Now look at the part A. There are 5 numbers: 3, 4, 5, 2 and 1. So the correct order will be, or you can check it, the smallest digit in it. The smallest digit is 1, then 2, 3, 4 and then 5. Find the smallest digit in it, that is 9. After 9 the 10 will come, then 11, then 12 and then 13. You can see that 9, 10, 11, 12 and then 13. The third one, the smallest digit is 5, then 6, 7, 8 and then 9. The all answers is front of you. You can watch it and solve it. Now on the next page, page number 11, write your name and then date. Greater than or less than. Now this is the symbol of greater than and this is the symbol of less than. Now you have all the boxes between two values. You have to put the symbols in it. Remember one thing. This is the symbol of greater and this is the symbol of less than. Always remember the open side will be to the greater value or greatest value, and this point will be to the less than value. For example, the 7 candies are greater than 5 candies. 7 is greater or bigger than 5, so we will put this symbol of greater than. And the example number 2, the 5 is less than to the 7, so we will put this symbol of less than. Now look at here, there are only 6 beans and there are 12 beans, so the which symbol will become here? This symbol, because we will always write the open side to the greater value. 12 is greater than 6, then we will write the open side to the 12. If I change the value, so I have made 12 beans here and only 6 are here, so we will put this symbol open sided to the greatest value. Now look at here, 6 is less than 9, so we will put this symbol, this point to the less than and open sided to the greater value. Here 11 is greater, then we will put this symbol. The part 3, 15 is greater than 5, so we will put the symbol of greater than. 0 is less than 1, so we will put the symbol of less than. Here is all the answers. You can match your answers with it. On the other page, page number 12, the same topic, greater than or less than. Now there is a shark and there are a lot of small fishes. Shark wants to eat more fishes, so you have to help the shark to find the greatest fishes or the number of more fishes. Help the shark to find more fishes by drawing the symbol of greater between numbers. Follow the sequence of numbers 1 to 10. Now see this, they have made a tiny teeth in the symbol. It is the teeth of shark, so the shark can eat the fishes. Now part 1, 25 and 26. 25 and 60. We will put this symbol and make tiny teeth, so the shark can eat 60 fishes. With the same concept, complete this worksheet. There are all the answers, and color the shark and the fishes to make your worksheet colorful.